Hi guys, finally Oppo launched its latest smartphone Oppo Reno 12 Pro. It's launched on May 2024. The dimensions of Reno 12 Pro is height 6.35 inch, width 2.94 inch, thickness is 7.6 mm, the weight is 183 gram, and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Oppo Reno 12 Pro, it comes with AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.7 inch with 89.5% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1080p and the refresh rate is 120Hz. And it comes with 3000 nits peak of brightness. The protection of Oppo Reno 12 Pro, it comes with ASUS glass. And the platform of Oppo Reno 12 Pro, it comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus and the CPU is octa-core Cortex-X4 and the GPU is Motorola G720. The memory of Oppo Reno 12 Pro, it comes with 16 and 12 GB of RAM and 256 file 12 GB of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The camera setup, it comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 8 megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom, and it records 4K 60fps video. The selfie camera of Oppo Reno 12 Pro is 50 megapixel and it records 4K 30fps video. The battery backup of Oppo Reno 12 Pro, it comes with 5000 mAh battery with 80 watt fast wired charging, no wireless charging, and it supports reverse wired charging. The common and the feature of Oppo Reno 12 Pro, it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speaker, infrared port, USB Type-C, fingerprint in the display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP65 dust and water resistant. The price of Oppo Reno 12 Pro is $600.